I'm going to show you how to build a $25,000 per month cleaning business in under 2 hours per day. Now, this is a huge promise if you've never seen my content before, so I totally understand if you're working through some skepticism right now, but brace yourself because that's not the craziest thing I'm about to say. The craziest thing I'm going to say, the part that's going to mess with your head, is the number of clients that you're going to need to get there is so small that when I tell you that number, you're gonna think I lost my mind. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what this business looks like when it's built the simple way, and why the people overcomplicating it, well, they're just making it 10 times harder on themselves. I want you to be able to avoid that. But lastly, why building the business the way I'm gonna lay it out in this video is going to flat out make your competition look silly. I hope I've got you excited. I hope I've done my job there, because if I have, it's time to lock in. So, brass tacks. How many clients does it actually take? I'm not going to tease that out anymore. It's 5. You heard that right. 5. Rewind it if you need to, but 5 office contracts paying around $5,000 per month. That's $25,000 per month in monthly recurring revenue. Not 50 clients, not 100 small accounts that keep you running around with nothing to show for it. 5. And here's why that number completely changes how you should look at this business. Because when your goal is just 5 yeses, well, then you don't need mass awareness with ads or viral content with social media to get these 5 yeses. Instead, the way you grow this business and get those 5 yeses, well, it's so much simpler. And the reason is you're not trying to reach everyone. You are instead trying to reach the right person at the right business at the right time. This is a completely different target, and it requires a completely different approach than sadly most people take. See, most people trying to grow this business, they go wide. They try everything: ads, social media, door knocking, cold calling thousands of people per month, and they end up spread thin with nothing to show but a few cheap clients who are awful to work with. I mean, that part's really tragic. But when you know your number is just 5, you go narrow. You find the exact types of businesses that have a $5,000 per month cleaning budget, and you put something in front of them that makes them feel like you could read their mind. So instead of chasing volume, you end up chasing the right 5 people. And that one shift makes this whole thing fit under 2 hours per day. So what does it actually take to get in front of these 5 people? Like, what does it actually look like? I'm going to tell you very plainly. It's 2 of my favorite words put together in marketing: direct mail. Now, I know you're probably like, well, that sounds old, or it sounds slow and outdated. But here's the truth. It works better than anything else when it comes to this specific goal. And the answer is simple. You're not trying to reach 30,000 people. You're trying to reach one decision maker at one specific business. Get used to me saying this because I'm going to harp on the fundamentals. One person at one location who has the power to make a decision. And more specifically, when they're at a location that has a beautiful $5,000 to $10,000 per month cleaning budget, and take it a step further, and they're actually very unhappy. This is what we call a perfect target. And here's another part that may be hard to believe. These perfect people, well, they're everywhere. They're all over your city. And a well-delivered letter sent directly to them does something that no ad, no social media post can do. It makes them feel understood, not sold to, not pitched, understood. And we as humans have a deep need to feel understood. Your potential clients are no different. Unless you're selling to aliens. At that point, this isn't the YouTube channel for you. It's not my niche. But seriously, put into motion. I remember the first time this approach worked for me. I'll always remember what it felt like. Someone I had never met read what I sent to them, and they felt like I completely understood their problem. And guess what? They reached out. That felt like $1,000,000, because right then I learned something that I will never forget as long as I'm alive. When you say the right thing to the right person at the right time, they will wire you $7,000 per month for eternity, in commercial cleaning at least. And I know, that sounds like internet gobbledygook, but it is the truth. Now, starting out, when I wrote that letter, I didn't have an algorithm working for me. I didn't have $2,000 a month in monthly advertising spend. I didn't have any followers. I didn't have any connections. I just had the right words delivered into the right mailbox. And that was all I needed to get to my 5 yeses as fast as possible. Now let's talk about building a team, because that's the other side of it. We're gonna keep this simple, we're gonna keep it under 2 hours a day. Well, you can't be doing any cleaning. So here's something people never really think about until I point it out. When you're running a $25,000 per month cleaning business around just 5 clients, your cleaning team is tiny. We're talking about a handful of people. You're not managing a warehouse full of staff. You are sending a few messages a day on Slack, making sure everything is on track. That's it. You're not the one doing the cleaning. You hire people to do that. Your job is to find the right people, set clear expectations, treat them well, and when your team feels taken care of, they're gonna show up, they're gonna do good work, and your clients, well, they're gonna feel good. See, find good people, treat them right, let them do the job, and when that is working, your clients are going to love you for it. Your accounts stay full, and your business runs without you ever having to be anywhere specific. So now you're probably thinking, what are these 2 hours? Well, what do they actually look like when this thing is running? Because you can see the vision. So let me show you. Let me pull back the curtain. Those 2 hours, you can dedicate 60 to 70% of it. I want you to just be thinking about adding more clients, because that right there is such a major pillar of what we do. The other 30%, that's gonna go towards keeping your cleaners and clients happy, making sure everyone is taken care of. See, when you do it this way, you're not gonna deal with chaos, nothing's gonna blow up your life, no complicated systems to manage. I mean, it's just simply making a decision to follow repeatable daily actions. 5 clients, $25,000 per month, built the boring way, and once you see how simple this actually is, you're gonna wonder why it took you so long to get started with this business in the first place. So if you would like help building this the right way from day one, the targeting, the team, the systems, the mailers, click the first link in the description, have a quick talk with my team, see if we'd be a great fit to help you get there. If you'd rather hang out on YouTube University for now and learn some more, hey, that's totally supported here. Watch this video right here. It is a very logical next step.